showed you guys a 102mm throttle body that I had gotten for the G8, the V Holden Commodore, and I made a post on Facebook about it, and I mentioned in the video that William Corey had ported it out to 102. Now, he had ported the rest of the manifold, but he got back to me yesterday and said that he hasn't ported it out to 102. So I'm going down the shop today, give her a bit of a port, and I'll show you the difference between the two throttle bodies. So anyway, that's where I'm headed now. And as usual, I'm in the good old trusty Honda. Oh, there goes that bloody VTEC. I tell you, you know, it's really hard to video and hit VTEC at the same time. I mean, that shit's net breaking, as I said last time. So anyway, let's get our asses down to the fucking shop and see what we can do. Righty on, I'll see you down there. Okay, I made it, didn't hit VTEC too much, so I got down the shop here, and there she is. Already pulled the throttle body off, so what I'm going to do now is basically show you the difference in the size of the throttle body. It's pretty significant. The new throttle body looks a lot better too, so it's going to look a lot cleaner on front of the engine. So let's take a look at that real quick. So obviously here we got our little stock throttle body, which is 90mm, and then the new 102mm. I mean, I don't know how easily you can see the difference on cam, but it's significant. Like, it's crazy actually how much bigger it is. So here's the back side of the throttle bodies. So obviously this is a stock manifold as in mouth, okay? It's been ported inside, and William has added these rods in here for stability, I believe. Basically what we're going to do is port this part out here to take it out to 102mm from 90mm. So that's what we're going to be doing momentarily. So, interesting tidbit for you. Back in Australia, I used to have a 1984 VK Cali Commodore, which is obviously well before this one's time. And I ended up buying a 304 V8 from the VP Commodore, and it was a fuel injected one. So basically that engine was all Australian V8 based off the LS, and it had a 65mm throttle body on it. So I paid this firm in Melbourne to cut off the 65mm and put a 90mm intake on and throttle body. It cost like $3,000, and I never even got to use it. But anyway, a little tidbit. Now, still have to smooth her off, but we're just going to get the throttle body and give it a test fit and see how she fares. Alrighty, I just installed the throttle body again. Now just for a test fit, and push the blade in, and it clears completely. So that's it, perfect. So now all we have to do now is pull off the throttle body and just smooth out around the mouth of the intake. All right, guys, so we've done all we can today. Unfortunately, the plug needs to be repinned, and Craig on Facebook did mention that, and I kind of said, oh, it's easy to rewire it, but now I just got to figure out the pin positions and get it on there. So that's it from the shop. So about to go to the store. So I might catch us on the road on the way up there. Love you guys.
She sees him walking in a straight line. That's not really her style. And they all got the same heartbeat, but hers is falling behind. Nothing in this world could ever bring them down. Yeah, they're invincible, and she's just in the background. And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids.
Alright guys, so here I am on my way to the grocery. So I hope you got something out of the vid today. It's a bit of a bummer that we've got to repin that plug to get that throttle body functioning the way it should, but not a big deal. It was a good buy. You saw the quality compared to the original throttle body, and 90 mils to 102 millimeters. That's pretty significant CFM upgrade. So bloody hell, that sun's blinding the piss out of me. Look at it back there. Jesus Christ. Better get VTEC. Yo, shit. Out of control this car is, I tell you. Anyway, as always, I appreciate you tuning in. Do me a favor, like and subscribe. And I know you won't, because I get I get plenty of these. I get like 2, okay? Maybe like 10 likes and 2 or 3 of these. But who gives a shit? Anyway, share it if you want. If you don't, not a big deal. But I love doing this for you guys, even if I've only got like 4 viewers. You 4 viewers are bloody awesome. I love yous. Anyway, this video is probably going to get 4 views again. Anyway, love you guys. Peace out. Keep it real.